How to fix me@Walmart app issues. Hello everyone, I am Bishalka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix me@Walmart app issues. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are using the latest version of the application. To check, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for me@Walmart. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down again and find the me@Walmart application and tap on it. Now, tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. And if your issue is still not fixed, try to delete the app and reinstall the application again. To delete, go to your home screen and tap hold on the me@Walmart application. You will see the remove app option, tap on that and then tap on the delete app option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on delete again and then go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for me@Walmart and reinstall the application again. Wait for the download to complete and once completed, open the application and use the application further and your me@Walmart application should be working just fine by now. So, this is how you can fix me@Walmart app issues. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.